guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, day 23 of Vlogmas, we are actually going to unbox, finally, Play by Sephora. So if you guys want to see everything I got in here, then definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so I actually am pre-filming this because it is literally right around the holiday time, so I'm super busy at work and I want to be dedicated to doing Vlogmas every single day, so I've been pre-filming in all my spare time. So I actually just got home from work, took a shower, took off all my makeup, threw my PJs, and we're just gonna have a very relaxing, laid back unboxing. I'm not gonna put on any makeup on my face. You guys are gonna sit here and chill with me like I would be chilling with my friends. This is how I am with my friends, so we're gonna have that moment. We're gonna be bonding right now, guys, bonding. But if there's anything in here that's like worthy of trying, like any makeup or skincare, then obviously since I have a blank face, I can totally do that. So yeah, I just want to give like a quick little like thank you guys. I made a post yesterday on my community page that I was just gonna take a break from reading the comment section right now. I'm still gonna be doing Vlogmas every day, but I haven't read any comments as of yesterday just because the comment section got a little bit negative because people think that I'm really annoying, my singing is really annoying, this and that. People have a lot to say, people have a lot of opinions, and opinions are free. Unfortunately, people do love to just spread them everywhere, and I just don't feel like reading them at the moment. Like, I have tried so hard to overlook the negativity, and I've done a pretty great job. I have deleted almost every single comment that I've seen that was negative, just ignored it, but I am human. It does get to me, and I am exhausted, so it got to me. So I am gonna go back to those videos, and I will respond to all the comments after Vlogmas is over, but I'm just gonna wait until after Vlogmas because I think right now I get about 250 comments per video, and that's a lot of comments to get through normally. Imagine doing that on a video I post every single day. It's a lot. So please note that I'm not ignoring you. I'm definitely going to be reading the comments. I'm just gonna wait until after Christmas Day to start reading the comments because I'll be off 2 days after Christmas Day, so I'll actually sit there and enjoy my time, read the comments, and generally respond back to you guys. So that is what I'm doing, and thank you guys so much for being so understanding. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. So in today's video, I'm finally unboxing Play by Sephora. Now this is a $10 a month monthly subscription service. You get 5 to 6 sample size products of items that are sold inside Sephora. I really do like Sephora, Play by Sephora. I think it's such a cool little box. It really has introduced me to brand new brands that I've never tried before or wouldn't have tried because of the price point. So I really do enjoy that factor. Another thing that I loved about this box is it used to give you play points. Now what that was is that you would get a 50-point play card. So whenever you purchase anything online at Sephora or inside Sephora, you add that 50 points to your purchase. So say you bought like a $12 item, I always use $12, and you added 50 points to that, you would get 62 points in total. So it's a great way to build up your points. I've literally hit over 2,000 so quickly by having Play by Sephora. However, last month they did not put that in there at all. In the month prior, they put a 20% off any foundation. So that was a little irritating because I love the play point. Like, I think that's such a great factor to the box, but they took it away. So who knows what's gonna be in here, but let's go ahead and dive in. By the way, they shipped this out on the 6th. I'm saying the 6th because I just saw Star Wars, but they sent this out on the 6th and I didn't get it until the 21st. I'm kind of like, damn, that took such a long time. Yes, it was by the USPS, and I know they're so busy now during the holiday season, but it took them forever to send this out to me. Normally get it a lot sooner, but I'm just grateful that I got it at this point. Okay, so this month's box is called, well, Award-Worthy Beauty. And once again, they did not include a play card. What is going on, Sephora? Why are you not putting that in here? That is so freaking frustrating. I love when they put that in here, and they have just been like skipping out on that, and damn, that's really irritating for me because I love their play card and it's how I built up my points so fast, and they're just not putting it in here. Sephora, I know you're not watching this, but if you do, stop being so stingy. The points are free. As always, Sephora does have a little makeup reusable bag. This is a plastic bag. I say this in every single video, and I'm gonna keep saying it. I really wish I didn't put this bag in here because I never use it. It's a plastic reusable bag, yes, but I just find it to be wasteful. I wish they would just have either a biodegradable bag inside or no bag at all. Like I feel like that's just a better route personally than putting something that's plastic inside of here. So let's go ahead and dig on in. The first thing I see is, oh my God, where was, oh, I should have waited, is an Amica 3D Volume and Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner. Give hair a boost with this dynamic duo that pumps strands from root to tip and enhances natural shine. This is a bonus to this month's box. I really could have used you like 30 minutes ago. Where were you? Like clearly I just washed my hair. Now I love trying out different shampoos. However, I'm gonna kind of like be a little stickler when I say this. I really only stick to purple shampoos. It's because I do dye my hair. Now I don't dye my hair. I go to Ulta. Ulta does my hair for me. But I use the Jocko purple shampoo and conditioner, and I might be trying, guys, sorry. The next one I'm gonna buy is the DP Hue Cool Blonde shampoo and Cool Blonde conditioner. I really only stick to like those type of shampoos because I find they work very well to make my hair as platinum blonde as possible. It takes away any brassiness that might occur over time, and so it's really hard for me to find like the perfect shampoo for me. Even though I use Jocko, like it's always been my go-to, I do like to branch out a little bit. And I know that my hairstylist Tina, she either tries Kin on me, she tries Matrix on me, she's tried Redken on me. So we're always just trying out different products to see which one I like the best. But I end up going back to Jocko every single time. But I really am glad to try this out because I know that Robert Christie actually partners with them a lot. So this would be really cool to try this out. I can spare not using purple shampoo for once, just one time. All right, another product is going to be from Smashbox. This is a Super Fan Mascara in black. Your lashes' #1 fan. This lengthening mascara delivers lift and volume that lasts for 12 hours. Cute. That's super cute. Like I know it won't pick up on the camera, but the packaging has a very soft glitter effect to it. Like it's a very soft glitter, very cute. From Smashbox. Let's see how the bristles look. This will define everything for me. Oh, okay. I see this. This is pretty nice. Well, we are just going to go ahead and try this out now. See the perks of not wearing makeup. It's going to be able to do right here on camera. We're going to test you out right now, buddy. Okay, so I kind of went like, I didn't really do the best job. I didn't really give it much of a chance. I don't really have anything to say about it just yet because I didn't really like try my hardest to make my lashes look super nice because I just got done taking a shower. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna leave this on my desk so I could try this out tomorrow morning before I go to work, so I can really get a full effect of this mascara, really give it a try. So I mean, I really do like how the bristles felt against my lashes. There are those really small, tiny bristles that really helps to lift and separate your lash, which I really like. But normally whenever I do put on mascara, I tend to curl my lashes first and then put on mascara, so it has extra volume to it. So I'm just gonna give this like a go tomorrow, but I just want to put it on now. I mean, so far when I was putting it on, it didn't hurt my lashes. It definitely coated them. They're just not looking great. And that's on me, that's not on that. All right, another product is, ooh, it's from Fresh. This is a Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. The lightweight gel cream is moisture magnet. It delivers intense hydration for up to 24 hours and contains ingredients to soothe dry skin. Chosen for your skin concerns. But my skin concerns are for oily skin, not dry. Well, I guess it just goes to show that I need to redo this test on here because my skin concerns are not dry skin. They are definitely very, very oily skin. I have got to update this. I don't think I've ever would have put dry skin. So why this is in here, I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and just set this aside and give it to somebody that I know can definitely use that because that's not for me. But it's really cool. I mean, I'm glad it's in here. I mean, maybe I could try it. I mean, I know that when you have really, really oily skin, you are supposed to hydrate your skin like this. But tomorrow, it really does help to combat the oil. Like if your face is naturally hydrated, you don't need to produce as much oil. So maybe I'll try it. Don't know, but you know what? Let's just see how it smells. Now I'm gonna sit here and question this. For normal to dry skin. Yeah, see, it's not for me. Chosen for your skin concerns. I think you all got the wrong alley. It smells good. It smells just like roses. Oh. That went way into my kitchen, so I'll get that I'll get that in a little bit. All right, another one is from Way. Oh my god, y'all are so amazing. You guys told me in my Allure Beauty box that it's called Way, so this is Way, even though, first off, and if you read that for the first time, would you ever think that's what that stands for? Like, would you ever? I would never read that as that, but it is Way. This is a body cream. Talk about creme de la creme. This whipped body moisturizer quickly absorbs without leaving any greasy residue and delivers soft, hydrated skin. All right, I thought you were like a hair care product. Oddly enough, you smell like a lotion. I've smelled you before. Has a like citrus undertone. Sweet pea mixture. With like a lotion fragrance. That's kind of hard. Ooh, look at me being like a connoisseur of lotions and smells. Yeah, it definitely has a citrus and sweet pea smell to it, and like a lotion smell. I mean, I'm definitely down to try any type of lotions on my body because why not? All right, the next product. Ooh, look at the little babies. This is from Wander Beauty. That's a Lipotreat oil and skinny dip. Roll out the red carpet for this standout oil and pretty pink shade that nurtures lips and delivers a glossy finish. Wow, let's go ahead and try you out. Ooh, you have like a, oh, y'all see that? Mamos. Ooh, wow, that is a shine. Does it? Tastes literally like nothing. Like nothing. That is extremely comfortable on the lips. It really reminds me of lips. It really reminds me of NYX lip oil. Like I have that, I have like 3 of them, and I bought them for all my friends because they truly do love it. It really reminds me of that. This is very comfortable on the lips. It's very soothing. Like it really feels like it has like an aloe in it, and it doesn't have aloe in it. It has apricot kernel and avocado oil in there. It feels very nice. This is going straight into my purse. Sweet. Last but not least is another little baby. This is from Dr. Brandt Skincare. Needles no more, no more baggage eye depuffing gel. Say so long to dark circles and hello to a brighter, more well-rested look. This advanced gel visibly tightens and soothes delicate under eye area. Chosen for your skin concerns. Now, when did I say that I had under eye issues and was concerned about that? I do not recall telling you guys that. Oh, Sephora, are you guys secretly like, is this meant for me? I don't know. But I mean, I definitely would not be opposed to trying stuff for under my eyes. I mean, Lord knows I'm now 30 and these boxes always like to remind me of that. So I'm definitely excited to give this product a try. So guys, that is it for everything in this box. I really do love Sephora Play. I've always loved Sephora Play. I don't think there's ever a moment I didn't love Sephora Play. I think they're such a great subscription service. Like you literally get 5 to 6 items of products that are sold at Sephora. And I think that is so freaking cool because I love Sephora so much, and I love going in there looking at all the beautiful products that I can't afford and going, one day I'll be able to. And it has given me such great products like my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Mineral Primer, as well as my Washido. I know this is not what it's called. It's probably called Wazo. It's from Shiseido, and I like to say it like that because it's just, I think it's so great. And like I said, this sits on my desk and I like to smell it and just like put it all over my skin when I'm not wearing makeup. Maybe sometimes I put it right here under my nose so I can sit here and smell like rich people's skin the entire time, because this product smells so freaking good. And one day, guys, one day I will invest the $40 and buy the full-size product. But I'm just so stingy when it comes to it, especially since like I have really oily skin and this is not the product that's best for it. But I don't care because it's such a great freaking clear mega hydrating cream, and it just smells so good. And if you're dry, if you are dry, you better get this, because this is like alright guys, well that's it for today's video. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post, well I post every single day because it's Vlogmas. But once Vlogmas is over, I do post 3 to 4 times a week. Also make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It is Our Florida Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing fiance Corey. And as always guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys very next video. Bye! Washido, shashido, shashido. Okay, let me get that to my mom. Oh, I need the cap. You get 5 to 6 deluxe or you get, so I am doing, oh my god, Callie's eating food. Alright, so I am, so in today's spending 60, you get 62 points. Wait, G. I don't think there's ever a moment I did not love Sephora for. Oh, like my Bobbi Brown Mineral Veil Primer, like my Bobbi Brown Mineral, like my Bobbi Brown, like my Bobbi Brown Mineral, oh my god, Mineral. That is it for today's video. Oh my god.